In a world that never stops moving, where stress and noise consume our days, nature whispers a different truth. Here, among rivers, forests, and skies, the pulse slows down, and so do we. Every leaf, every bird's song, every drop of rain carries a reminder. Life is not meant to be rushed, but felt. The air cleanses, the silence heals, and the wild returns us to what we've always known deep inside. That we belong to this earth, and it belongs to us. Amid illness, anxiety, and endless distraction, nature is not just a refuge, it is medicine for the spirit. So pause, breathe, listen. For in the heart of the wild lies something essential, something we cannot live without. Connection.